Hey guys, my name is Faizan Khan and I have created this email sender application using Python. So in order to use this application, I have to run this code and now I will be able to use this application. But what I want to install this application on my desktop. As you can see here, I have already installed this one of my project master typing on my desktop. So in order to test my typing speed, I just have to double click on this icon and this application will be opened. In the same way, I have to install that email sender application on my desktop. So how can we install this project on our PC? So we have to create exe for this Python code. I have provided you this file setup.py in the description of this video. You have to download it and paste it in the same folder where your main.py file is existing. And then you just have to open this file. As you can see this red line here, you will also see this. So we have to install this external module which will help us in converting .py file to exe file. So go to your terminal. Here you need to type pip install cxfreeze equals to 6.5. So once the module is installed, now you will not see that red line. So I'll tell you what changes you have to do in this particular file and everything else will remain as it is. So firstly, we have this include files list. Inside this list, you have to add all the images and the music file which you have used in your project. So as you can see, I have added all the images that I have used in my project. And this is the music file that I have added. I have also added this icon.ico image. This is nothing but the icon which you see on the desktop, right? So for that we have to download one ICO image. So go to your favorite web browser. Here you need to type icon-icons.com. So I'll search for email here and let me select one of the images from here. So I'll go with this one. And from here I have to select the icon size. So I'll choose 48px. Then select this icon section and then click on this download ICO. So your file will be successfully downloaded. Just copy this image and come back to your editor and paste that image. Don't forget to change the name as icon.ico because I have used icon.ico name here. After that there will be no change here, and then inside this shortcut table list we have to mention the name of our application, and then here we have to give the name of our Python file. So as you can see, my Python file name is main, so I have passed main here. Then coming to this setup tuple, here you can mention whatever version you want to mention. Then you can add the description, author, name, right? After that, here the script will be your Python file name main.py, and the icon which you want to add on your desktop will be icon.ico. So that's it. These are the only changes which you have to do. And just go back to your terminal. Here you need to type python setup.py bdist_msi. So you have to write this command and hit enter. So once this process is complete, you will see two folders getting added to your main folder. One is build, another one is dist. So what you have to do, just right click and open it in Explorer. And inside this folder you have this installer which you can send to your friends, and they just need to double click on it and install it just like they install any other softwares on their PC. So let's see our desktop if we got our icon or not. So as you can see, we have this application here. Once you double click on it, so here it is. So whenever you want to send any emails, you just need to double click on it and open your application, and from here you can send single or multiple emails. So I hope you understood how we can create exe for our Python file. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.